Bowtie David here for Bowtie Life. We're out here at the okra doing our harvest, and I could probably do a video like this every other day because it is coming in strong. So this is actually just about my reach height. Standing on the ground. Pretty soon I'm going to be standing on the edge of the beds. Whew, got to get my cutters in there. But anyone who has ever grown okra knows that at this point you simply cannot skip more than a day. Much bigger than this, and it'll start getting woody, but isn't that just a gorgeous plant? I think it is. So there it is, my 5-minute harvest for today. They are looking beautiful. Oh, look at that. Still good. Hey, please subscribe to Bowtie Life on YouTube, and y'all have a blessed day.